Booyah, check it out. Time for some more racing, kids. How many cool cars do you see here? There are 2. Now let's try that again. How many cool cars are here now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Check it out. What color is this? It's black. Hey kids, do you know what color this car is? It's gray. Alright kids, it's time to crack open these cars and see what they can do. Time to see which one of these guys are faster. Here is the Mitsubishi Lancer. And over here, the Honda S2000. Both of them have 4 cylinders. Who will win? Honda S2000, start your engines. Mitsubishi Lancer, start your engines. 3, 2, 1, go! Looks like the Lancer wins. Now it's time for part 2. 2 cars going head to head. This is the Tesla Model S. It's electric. And here's the Aston Martin Vantage GT3. It has an engine, not a battery. The Tesla has a battery. Aston Martin Vantage. Start your engines. Tesla Model S. Turn on your electric motors and turn on ludicrous mode. Three, 2, 1, go! With all 4 wheels delivering power, the Tesla wins. Who's gonna win? Mitsubishi, start your engines. Tesla Model S, engage ludicrous mode. 3, 2, 1, go! The Tesla wins.